Massive machines moving into place, huge structures rising, and every corner buzzing with activity. This is where progress comes alive. Materials are being lifted, supports are being installed, and every detail is shaping the stadium into something incredible. Let's dive straight into the action and see what's happening right now. In the tribuna, workers are busy positioning prefabricated stairs and organizing seating sections. Platforms and cranes are being used to move and place the materials efficiently. Teams are making sure everything is aligned properly. The lateral area is alive with constant activity. Cranes are moving massive components into place, while large pieces for the compression ring are staged and ready nearby. Workers are carefully aligning structures, checking measurements, and prepping materials for the upcoming installations. You can see platforms, braces, and various tools in action as the team coordinates every step. Even with the wind blowing, progress continues steadily across the entire zone, showing visible results in multiple sections at the same time. Looking at the parking ramp, significant work has already been completed. Most of the formwork panels along the side walls have been removed, leaving only a few remaining. The upper edges of these walls are solid, showing that the concrete has set properly. The team is efficiently wrapping up this area, and soon all panels will be removed. This ramp is almost finished, which is a huge step forward for accessibility and the overall flow of the stadium. In the lower sections, teams have been preparing for the installation of the lamas. Workers have focused on forming the false ceiling and attaching supports along the esquadra areas. These supports are critical for the next phase, and once complete, they'll move on to other zones, including the corner sections. Elevated platforms are actively being used to install anchors and braces, while some areas still await the first lamas. Moving toward the south goal, there's noticeable progress with elevated platforms and anchors being installed. Workers have already positioned some supports diagonally and are securing structural elements. These steps are essential for the next wave of lama installation. The cranes are ready to lift the large pieces into place, and it looks like the south goal will soon be fully equipped with its structural components. Every move here brings the project closer to its next milestone. Up in the central areas, work continues with large pillars and prefabricated stands. Some pillars resemble the compression ring structures we've seen before, but there are even larger components now being set into place. Cranes and platforms coordinate to align everything accurately. In the north goal, teams are actively installing supports for the lamas. The first supports have already been positioned, and additional ones are being attached steadily. Prefabricated seating sections are being moved into place, while the groundwork for anchors is ongoing. At the diamond section, work is picking up after a short pause. Excavations have been carried out, and cranes are moving materials efficiently. New prefabricated seating is staged and ready to be positioned. Platforms are actively supporting installation, and protective coverings ensure materials remain intact. Although the area had been quiet recently, the return of activity indicates that the diamond section will soon see major advancements alongside other areas of the stadium. That's it for today's stadium update. If you enjoyed seeing all the latest construction progress, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Stay tuned for the next update.